Earthquake in Afghanistan today. The second quake of magnitude 5.4 struck near the epicenter of Sunday's earthquake, which has killed more than 1,400 people so far. A magnitude 5.2 earthquake struck eastern Afghanistan on Tuesday, close to the epicenter of the powerful weekend quake that killed more than 1,400 people, the U.S. Geological Survey reported. According to the USGS, the tremor's epicenter was located 34 kilometers 21 miles northeast of Jalalabad city in Nangarhar province. The fresh quake came just 2 days after a 6.0 magnitude earthquake hit remote mountainous areas near the Pakistan border around midnight on Sunday, followed by at least 5 aftershocks. That disaster left thousands injured and caused widespread destruction. Afghanistan, one of the world's poorest nations, has struggled to respond to such crises, with international aid dwindling since the Taliban's takeover in 2021. Chief Taliban spokesman Zabihullah Mujahid said on Tuesday that 1,411 people were confirmed dead and 3,124 injured in Kunar province alone. In neighboring Nangarhar, another dozen people were killed and hundreds more wounded. The United Nations Humanitarian Coordinator for Afghanistan, Indrika Ratwat, warned that the disaster could impact hundreds of thousands. Rescue teams continued searching through the night and into Tuesday for survivors in Kunar, where more than 5,400 homes were flattened, Taliban government spokesman Hamdullah Fikrat said on X. Also read death count crosses 1,400 as rescuers race against time to pull out S.